nature friends. Today I am going to show you sea animals in that seashell. Do you know sea animals, crab, fish in that shell? Seashell. I am having types of seashell. This they call as gabalu. These they use for games, playing games. We played so many games with this. And these are some dried shells. With this they will do so many arts. And alive shells I collected from seashore, and they are opening automatically and coming out. They have two shells that are joined together. They dig into the mud when they're tired. Ease out, then they come out to eat when the tide comes in, and they are covered by water.
No, wash.
I collected. We are going to be open. You also see how inside the shell is there. Inside I saw something. One, two. See, inside something is there. It's look like a fish. See here. Seashell. I'm having one more. This is open. Hey, look at here. It is moving.
It's look like fish. See
like
how it
fish.
is moving?
See how it is moving?
Look at here. This is the inside of the shell. They are hiding. No, some animals will come. Fishes. Some of the fishes they can eat. Some of the swans or some of the birds also they can eat. So that's why they are hiding inside. Are you seeing here? So many white. They're all white and soft. See, all is moving. All are moving.
Yeah.
Actually, the children was opening without afraid. They are opening.
Hey, yeah, little baby, like a baby.
Yes,
there.
small thing, small one. There's so many as there.
She show with your mom and dad. You go and collect these and you open and see the living being. First time I am seeing. I'm so excited. After this they can use this for so many craft works and house designs, house decorations, clock decorations, watch. If you see, and we are hanging the doors also. I hope you all like this sea creature. We learn from the nature, and please subscribe our channel, like our channel, send this sea creature to your friends. Bye bye.